Good morning. We survived the camping last night. I think he's been camping too. We're in the village of Mortehoe, still in Devon, and we're doing a couple of geocaching loops, aren't we?
Yes.
I woke up this morning in a tent. It's a little bit overcast, but the forecast today is supposed to be getting warmer and the sun is supposed to be making an appearance.
Do we trust the weather forecast?
I hope so. Just wearing a t-shirt. A great t-shirt. Look at that.
One day.
Maybe camping in a tent, but one day.
One day.
These sheep don't seem bothered. Normally they run a mile if you walk past them or you walk towards them. Wow. It's a nice view on a Sunday morning, isn't it? Glorious. And down there on the beach, that's Woolacombe Beach. Beautiful long stretch of beach. There's people on it already. Ooh, let's have a look.
Ooh, look at that.
Ooh.
Ooh, look, it's got a friend. Oh, look.
If you know what these mushrooms are, please let us know in the comments. As we don't know what they are, we're not going to eat them. Wow.
Mushrooms.
They're big mushrooms. I'm guessing they're not edible, they would have been picked.
They would have been picked. Yesterday we learned that these pieces of brown and greys are called hummocks.
Hummocks?
And the hint was the cache by the hummock. So there's the hummock.
Uh-huh.
Oh, could this be the cache?
Yay!
Look at that. Look at the effort that's gone into that.
Oh, very good.
These series that we're doing in Devon is by a cacher called Kevin One. Fabulous series. If you get a chance to do any of his caches, they're always good. Thanks, Kevin One.
So we started in Mortehoe and we've literally walked along the whole of the coastal path which has brought us here. And I think the plan is round about here we're going to start heading back into the town. So we're at Ball Point, just around the corner here will be the lighthouse. down. We're having a nice brew, aren't we?
Yes, because I broke the flask.
Elaine
Well,
broke the...
We broke the flask. Should we say we did? Because I put it in the car in not a safe place. You opened the boot and it fell out.
Because it wasn't in the safe
It
place.
wasn't in the safe place.
It's an amazing view, Elaine. What you got there? Binoculars?
It's cash.
No.
But they do work.
They do work.
But it's very hard with true binocular glasses.
And the geocache is hanging just off the front. The binoculars.
Oh, it's a bit blurred all the way over there.
She's looking at Woolacombe Beach.
There we go.
Right, do you want to put it back? That geocache has two purposes. See the front. Official geocache. Amazing. Let's show you where it went.